I wanted to shoot you this quick video because something's just come across my desk that I think you're going to be interested in. I'm sure you've heard before that the money's in the list, and if you want to work on the internet, then you're going to need a list. Now, to get that list is not that easy, but something's come across my desk from a very good friend of mine, a fellow marketer, Steve. And what I'm going to do, rather than me show you, I'm going to get Steve to show you about this new system and how he's made just over $6,000 in 30 days. I joined this system today. I'm going to be using it on a daily basis, but it's going to help you grow your list and also at the same time help you make money working on the internet. So it's a bit like being paid to have a list, really. So have a watch what Steve's got to say, and at the end of that video, if you think you're interested and it's something that you want to have a look at, then below this video you're going to find a link. Listen to what Steve says. I'll see you later. Bye now.
Hi, this is Steve from the UK, and it's now been 30 days since I joined My Lead Gen Secret, and I've now earned more than $6,000 in this fantastic little lead generation and business opportunity system. And after watching this video, you'll see it's going to be possible for you to do exactly the same, because this really works. So let me give you first a very quick overview of what we've got here. What we've got is, by joining My Lead Gen Secret, you start to be given 100 free leads every single day. And those leads are just dropped into the system for you, a system that has a built-in mailing platform, allowing you to send an email to 100 prospects every single day. Now, you can promote anything that you want to these leads, and I'm going to prove to you in a few moments how the system is getting me signups from the emails sent out, from the free leads that I'm getting from the system itself. So this is very, very powerful. The bigger the number of prospects that you're sending your message to, the more chance you've got of making money. And so in this system, when you're getting 100 free emails a day, at the end of 30 days, you would naturally have 3,000 emails that you could be sending a day. In other words, sending a message, a marketing message, to 3,000 people every single day. Now, if you refer just one person to this business opportunity here, to My Lead Gen Secret, to use the product and make money as well, then the company will start to give you 200 leads per day. And referring one to an opportunity like this is very, very easy. So now let's look at the numbers. In 30 days, you'd be sending an email to 6,000 people. In 60 days, you'll be sending it to 12,000. In 90 days, 18,000. In 120 days, you'll be sending that to 24,000 people. And when you're sending 24,000 emails per day, there is a very high possibility that you are going to get sales on a daily basis. But trust me, this works, and it's a great little system. Your leads come into the system here in this leads area. And here you can see I've been getting 200 leads per day, and that goes right the way back to when I joined 30 days ago. We've got master email swipes here. This is an optional upsell. You can take this. If you're not used to writing emails, it's good to maybe get these. It gives you a good basis to work from, to send your emails out, but it's optional and you can write your own emails. And this entire system, by the way, is just $30. It's an insanely low price. And when you consider that I've made more than $6,000 with this in the last 30 days, I'm sure you'd have to agree this is very powerful indeed. When you look on the mailing system itself, it's very easy. You don't need to overthink this. You would simply send an email every day to all of the prospects that you've got in here. Let's look at the commissions then, because I know people like to see that. Find out how your commissions are paid. And those are paid to you. You withdraw your money. It's been sent to you to PayPal, to Bitcoin, or a check. They're the three ways that we can be paid here. So if I look on commissions and look on all time, if I scroll this to the bottom of the page, right down here, you will see my total earnings, $6,293. 4,856 I've already been paid, and $1,437 available for payout. So nice little earning there, and don't forget this is just the start of my 31st day. This is 30 days earning, and you can do exactly the same. These are residual commissions. So let me show you how the system works for you and how the emails that we're getting in the system are converting to sales of the system itself. So to prove that, I'm going to just go to last week's sales. So my last week report, let me run that. 153 in the team, 15 personal. I'm going to click here and you will see the names of the people. I'm going to blur those out actually for privacy reasons, with the exception of one. And that is this person here called Dan Barber. Now this is not the first that I've got from the system, but Dan Barber, as you can see, has a tracking source of MLGS, my lead gen secret. I put that tracking source in when I send my emails out through this system. So the only time that's ever used is when it's in this system. So if I come back over, I'm looking for Dan Barker. If I come into my leads, and I have actually done this in advance so that I knew where to look. Dan signed up on May the 29th. So if I open up that email list and I do a quick search for Barber here, you'll see there's Daniel Barber, who came into this system as a free lead, and he's gone in now and he's earned me a commission, and he'll now be earning me residual commissions. Here's undeniable proof that sending emails out from this system to these prospects works and converts to sales. But the only way you can make that work is to get started. Stick with this so that you start to send 6,000 emails per day, then 12,000, then 18,000, then 24,000. The results are provable here. We can see this is happening. We know we're getting paid from the company. This is a genuine opportunity, and you get leads that you can market absolutely anything to. And we all know that the money is in the list. So I hope you found this little tutorial and video useful. If you've not yet got started with my lead gen secret, then click that link below here and get signed up straight away. This is the best $30 business opportunity you're going to find online anywhere.